This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right now, the masses are panicking over a fake market bubble, while institutional smart money is quietly securing the bag on generational assets. If you think the tech run is over, you are completely misinterpreting the tape and are about to miss on the single biggest wealth transfer of 2026. Today, I am revealing the exact structural data and the dark pool footprints that have forced me to double down on two hyper growth stocks before the calendar turns to June. Look, I'm not here to feed you generic surface level hype. We are talking about two deeply mispriced companies that have just established massive capitulation floors, completely cleared out of the weak hands, and are sitting on multi-billion-dollar exponential growth mechanics that the retail public doesn't even know exist. Tracking these assets and structural setups is exactly how I grew my micro challenge count from $900 to over $8,000 in 1 year, and how I scaled my $250,000 portfolio to over $1.7 million in the exact same framework. In fact, using these precise tape reading and dark pool tracking strategies, I've personally banked over $95,000 on Oracle in just the last 6 weeks alone. If you want to master these exact mechanics yourself, my free masterclass webinar is returning yet again this Saturday, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Every single student who has ever sat through my 1 hour of live training tells me they have learned more with me in that 1 hour than anywhere else. I'm going to be teaching my proprietary hedge fund, dark pool technical analysis and psychology, as well as dark pool systems, taking your live questions and dropping massive exclusive opportunity that you cannot afford to miss. This market is setting up to be a historic for the rest of the year, likely, and in the next 1 to 3 years. The link to register for your spot in the masterclass is in the information box below. Very limited spots remain, and I will have a huge opportunity and a huge announcement at this webinar. You do not want to miss it. Let's clear up the macro noise immediately, because every talking head on social media is screaming that the S&P 500 is a house of cards. They look at the index hitting historic highs and assume a crash is mandatory, but they are completely missing the math. The forward price to earnings ratio, the PE ratio of the S&P ETF, is actually contracting even at the price that this index continues to climb. How does the market go up while valuation metric goes down? It happens because the core mega cap tech stocks driving the index aren't just rising on hot air. Their actual earnings are growing at an absolute breakneck pace. Look at the balance sheet for Meta, Microsoft, Micron, AMD, and Nvidia. These companies are generating record-shattering free cash flow. When earnings grow faster than the stock price, the market actually gets fundamentally cheaper on a relative basis. Take Nvidia as the prime example here. Wall Street keeps trying to call a top, yet every single quarter their demand completely outstrips their supply chain, and their forward guidance shatters human expectation. We aren't just in a standard tech bubble. We are watching global structural rewiring of computing infrastructure, and right on the tail of AI infrastructure boom, quantum computing acceleration is beginning to kick into high gear. The foundation of this market is rock solid, backed by a concrete earnings that is exactly why we hunt for the explosive growth plays that institutions are quietly accumulating under the radar. Before I hand you the exact tickers, you have to understand the execution model I use to spot these entries. As a quick standard reminder, this is for educational purposes only, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Be safe out there. The market is inherently risky with no guarantees. Protect your capital and make sure these stocks that I'm talking about fit your own personal needs and goals. When we hunt for explosive growth plays, we look for a phenomenon called capitulation floor. This is the exact price point where the ultimate sellers have completely exhausted themselves. The weak-handed retail traders have thrown in the towel out of frustration, and institutional dark pools begin heavily absorbing these shares. The two very specific companies that I'm doubling down on right now perfectly demonstrate these exact mechanics. One is a powerhouse experiencing exponential demand because it holds the keys to the physical infrastructure bottleneck of the entire AI revolution. The other owns proprietary, completely unpredictable semiconductor technology that alters how power is managed across performance computing and electric infrastructure. Both have clean debt structures, massive growth mechanics, and billions of dollars in multi-year revenue backlogs. They have built rock-solid support floors, meaning the downside has been structurally capped by big money, while the upside remains completely asymmetric. Let's unpack the first monster play. The first stock to talk about is Navitas. Navitas Semiconductor, NVTS. Let's talk about exactly what they do and why they're an absolute juggernaut. Navitas is the undisputed global leader in next-generation gallium nitride, GaN, and silicon carbide, SiC power semiconductors. Legacy silicon chips simply cannot handle the extreme voltage, thermal demands, and efficiency requirements of modern technology. Navitas's proprietary GaN fast and Gene SiC technologies allow for powerful systems to run up to 20 times faster, handle drastically higher power loads, and cut energy losses by up to 50%, all the while shrinking physical size of the components. As of right now, in May of 2026, their pivot into high-power AI data centers, electric vehicles, and solar infrastructure has created a technical moat that legacy chip makers cannot touch. They possess a massive multi-billion-dollar design pipeline, and their competitors are completely struggling to keep up with their pace of innovation. From a technical and tape standpoint, Navitas tells a beautiful story. If you look back at the historical chart, the ultimate long-term capitulation floor was firmly established in the $8 to $10 zone. If you missed that, I'm sorry. I told my Discord and everyone on YouTube to buy in that range, and now we are absolutely printing. Once the market flushed out the weak hands in that area, big money stepped right in. Recently, we've seen brand new rock-solid support floor cement itself right around the $15 mark. Looking at their latest Q1 2026 earnings, they have shown robust sequential revenue growth at a strong cash position of $221 million to fund expansion, and their high-power business segment is surging over 35% year over year. Wall Street analysts are aggressively maintaining their buy ratings, with major firms like Needham and Baird keeping targets up to $21. Based on macro projection of the S&P 500 targeting 8,000 level and SPY pushing towards $800 by the end of this year, a fair end-of-year price target for Navitas sits comfortably between $24 and $30. Looking down the road, top analysts see this as a multi-bagger with intermediate 3 to 5 year price models targeting an $80 to $100 valuation as their high power scaling fully materializes into massive profitability. When you look out 10 years, Navitas is positioned to be the fundamental pick and shovel play of the architecture of the entire digitized world. Every single AI data center server cluster, every next-gen EV charger, and every industrial green energy grid will require exact power efficiency that only Navitas provides. This is not a speculative day trade for me. This is a masterful execution of structural investing. I am actively holding and adding to my position in Navitas because owning the company that controls the efficiency of global power distribution is one of the most asymmetric macro plays of the decade. Now, before I jump into the second stock, which has an even more staggering multi-billion-dollar revenue backlog, if you want to see exactly how I track these dark pool orders, how I execute these trades and technical setups in real time, you need to be at my masterclass webinar this Saturday, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. I'll be hosting a Q&A. I will be teaching my proprietary dark pool, hedge fund, and technical analysis strategies, as well as my psychology, and showing you things that will blow your mind. Every student that has ever been at my previous webinar said they've learned more in that 1 hour with me than anywhere else. I'll be hosting a Q&A, and I have a massive announcement. And this year is likely going to be great, and next year as well. You do not want to miss out on it. The link to register for the webinar is below. You do not want to miss out. Very limited spots for this webinar. Register now before it is too late. The number 2 stock that I am actively adding to my portfolio is Applied Digital, APLD. Applied Digital designs, builds, and operates the next generational digital infrastructure specifically engineered for high ultra-density artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, HPC applications. They don't just build standard data centers, they construct massive, highly optimized AI factories designed to handle the staggering power and liquid cooling requirements of tens of thousands of liquid-cooled GPUs clustered together. What sets Applied Digital completely apart from the competition is their incredible speed to market and their ironclad real estate and power allocations. While other companies are waiting years just to secure grid connectivity, Applied Digital is already delivering operating capacity. Their technical moat is so wide that the world's most elite hyperscalers and AI cloud providers have literally no choice but to partner with them to deploy their computing clusters. If you want to talk about explosive exponential growth and fundamental confirmation, just look at the absolute powerhouse data that dropped this last week. Applied Digital just officially signed a massive new 15-year take-or-pay lease for a 300 megawatt power critical IT load at their Polaris Forge 3 campus, with a massive high investment grade US hyperscaler, that is. This single deal adds an incredible $7.5 billion in base contracted revenue, which scales up to $18.2 billion if all options are exhausted. This brings their total baseline contracted revenue and backlog across their 4 major campuses to a staggering $31 billion. Let that sink in. Their Q3 earnings already showed a massive revenue beat of $126.6 million against expectations following this monumental hyperscaler lease validation. Major Wall Street analysts went into overdrive. Compass Point immediately hoisted their price target to $70, and Needham explicitly raised theirs to $66. With the stock currently showing powerful bullish momentum trading around $45 to $48, it is still sitting roughly 18 to 20% below the consensus price target. Now, based on our SPY $800 macro target, Applied Digital is positioned to trade between $65 and $70 by the end of this year, with a 3 to 5 year price target soaring well past $100 and the triple-digit mark as these multi-billion-dollar lease revenues fully hit the bottom line. Looking out 10 years, Applied Digital will be the foundational backbone of global artificial intelligence infrastructure. They are building the permanent digital fortresses that will house the compute power of the future. By holding both Navitas to power the future and Applied Digital to house it, I am establishing a massive synergistic stranglehold on the most critical secular growth trends of our lifetime. I own a substantial position in this company, and I am actively doubling down before June. And I am letting the institutional backlog do the heavy lifting for my portfolio. Big money footprints are completely clear on both of these setups. While retail traders are letting fear and media headlines dictate their portfolios, smart money is locking in multi-billion-dollar infrastructure plays that will dominate the next decade. I am fully positioned. I'm doubling down in Navitas and Applied Digital before June, and I'm riding this macro wave all the way up. Do not forget to register for the free masterclass webinar returning this Saturday, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Click that link below, lock in your spot before it's too late, and let's win together. You can also join the Discord at any time with the link in the information box below as well. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar this Saturday and on the next video. Be safe out there in these volatile markets. One love, fam.